What's going on, guys? Is your car shaking? It's most likely because of this part right here. This part will cause your car to run rough and idle really bad. This is a Purge Valve Canister. I'm going to show you how to replace it right now. Stick around. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. This video is going to be quick and easy. I'm going to be showing you how to replace the Purge Valve canister on a Chrysler 200 or any Mopar, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep vehicle that has the 2.4 four-cylinder engine in it. First thing you need to do is, of course, you need to remove this top black intake, right? And it's being held on by this hose and a couple of screws right here, and the thing right here on the throttle body, that screw. So loosen up these. I believe this is 10 mil. Let's hit it. All right, gonna take this off. I've already loosened that one right there. We're gonna unplug this sensor right here, unplug this, and then we can just gentle lift this up and move it out of the way. There's gonna be a rubber boot right here. Open this rubber boot up, move it out the way, and there's your Purge Valve canister right here. So you can wiggle up to get more room on it or whatever you want, but that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna replace this, okay? Here we go. Like I said, you can wiggle it up, get more room, pull this tab out, push the clip, unplug that, and you're gonna need to get a screwdriver or something and pry up on this red piece. Oops, you might break it. Careful you don't break it. Pop up on this piece and then push in and pull out. This should just slide out as well, okay? So let me grab a tool and get started. All right, so with your tool, with your screwdriver, you lift up that bar right there. At the bottom, there's a button. You're gonna wanna press on this button, push it in, and then pull it out, okay? So you can go over this little tab and free up. Now you just gotta twist and pull from here. I'm gonna try to do it one-handed. Can't do it one-handed. All right, so we're just gonna, like I said, grab it and twist it, and it should come out. Now we're gonna compare parts. Here's the old one and here's the new one. Looks like they're identical. So we're gonna install it in reverse order, okay? Gonna slide this in here. One, slide this in here. Can you see? Two, make sure it clicks, bring the safety down, and pull the clip together. Put it back where it belongs. And ta-da! That's how you repair and replace your Purge Valve canister.